Episode 10, Theia Impact Moon Formation. Welcome to class. Earth had formed, molten, unstable, and newly layered, but its story was about to change dramatically. About 4.5 billion years ago, a Mars-sized protoplanet collided with the young Earth. Scientists call this object Theia. The impact was catastrophic. The collision released extraordinary energy, melting large portions of Earth's surface and blasting enormous amounts of debris into orbit. For years, scientists believed that debris slowly clumped together over thousands of years. But newer high-resolution simulations suggest something far more dramatic. The Moon may have assembled remarkably quickly, possibly in a matter of hours, from a rapidly spinning cloud of vaporized rock. Gravity pulled that debris together. The Moon was born. From the chaos, a new celestial partner emerged. The strongest evidence for this event lies in chemistry. If you examine moon rocks, they share nearly identical oxygen isotope ratios with Earth rocks. It is like a chemical fingerprint. Rocks from Mars have a different accent. Moon rocks speak the same chemical language as Earth. The Moon is not a captured object. It is made from Earth's own material. This impact reshaped the planet. It likely tilted Earth's axis and remelted much of the crust. Over time, the Moon became a stabilizing influence. Like the pole a tightrope walker carries, its gravity helps prevent Earth's tilt from wobbling chaotically. When Earth first formed, a day may have lasted only about 6 hours. For billions of years, the Moon's gravitational pull on the oceans has acted like a slow brake, gradually lengthening our rotation to the 24-hour day we experience now. What began as destruction became partnership. Earth and Moon formed together in violence and have evolved together ever since. And now this reshaped world was ready for its next transformation. Class dismissed. See you in our next lesson.